get the fuck out of my store. Paul, am I live? Awesome, we're back. You look kind of different, Lewis. Sorry for leaving. I had to get my lunch.
Screw you! You're fired!
Lunch was good. Now that I'm full, we fix some more MacBooks. Yeah. What, do I have like bags under my eyes like Lewis? Oh, I do. Oh no, that's not good. Today, we have an air, no power, liquid damage. Lewis's favorite. Wait, Hi's here. Hi, I need you. You're my stream assistant. Everything's going to shit. I can't use the stream deck. It don't work. It crashes OBS if I press a button. And if I press a button, the stream goes to the stream crashes. It's over. It's done. I'm doing this all manually. Let's see. Liquid damage on the board. Non-existent. That's what I like to see. Oh, wait. No, I see it. Oh, no. Oh, no, not again. Donation for the employee. This donation goes directly to Lewis. Dude, I'm never lucky. Why do I keep getting shit like this?
Who gave you that one, huh?
Kevin gave this to me at random.
Who would ever give you
Hold on, let me take out the battery before I just start shoving my plot tweezers into stuff. CPU inductor, CPU inductor, CPU MOSFETs. Ground, CPU. Ground, CPU. Fuck this. Lewis, come back, please. I need you. Okay, let's see. Let's see why this MacBook doesn't turn on. I'm gonna clean as much as I can. Where's my brush? Please. We're gonna make this MacBook great again. Come on. Come on. Please. Please. I don't want the Zalmao. No more Zalmao. No more Zalmao, Paul. Time of the year. Plug this in. No green light. Oh, wait. Okay, so it's turning on. Chime? No? You don't want to chime for me? Huh. We don't have green light, which isn't really an issue. Could be a DC inboard problem. But we do have fan spin at 500 milliamps. So I want to see if this thing turns on. Interesting. Oh, cool. Nice. I should probably open these before. If you guys want a hot date, you know, just goddamn. You know what happened. If you hate Kevin, you would do it.
Not like this, dude.
Okay, so we have fan spin. Do we have backlight? This is confusing. We have backlight. Cool. So we should have Apple logo, and we do have Apple logo. Awesome. But do you boot completely? It's supposed to boot?
Liquid damage, yeah.
Okay, one sec.
But there's an issue, I can tell you what.
So it says it doesn't charge her battery.
Yeah.
So let's see if it's recognizing battery. So the SMC has to be alive for that to happen. And we get 8.5. Okay, so she probably might just have a bad battery. Okay, I see. Okay, she needs a new DC inboard. Could you get that for me, dude?
Yeah.
So yeah, there's corrosion on her DC inboard. And pull out the microscope for you guys. So the thing is with airs, the one-wire circuit is actually on the DC inboard itself and not on the board. Kind of cool. So whenever you don't have a green light issue, you should check out your one wire and make sure it doesn't look like this. If I can. So here's the two chips responsible for one wire circuit. And they're both, I think this one's just completely off. What is it? Yeah, there's no legs on this one. There should be 3 legs. There's no legs. Gross.
Feels bad.
Feels bad. Oh well. Nice job, Kevin. You didn't fuck up.
I would never. Never.
Okay, so back to desk cam. We're gonna solve this. We're gonna look at the rest of the board, see if there's any other bits of corrosion we could probably clean up. Oh, Kevin,
Yeah.
you know that issue that you just told me?
Yeah.
Yeah, guess where it comes from?
The corrosion on
No, the thing you told me.
the board? Oh, where?
It comes from the DCN board.
Oh. Boom. Gotcha right there. You're welcome.
Okay. So Kevin did not want to tell me that the customer was complaining that her audio was muted.
Giving unnecessary details.
Unnecessary. They gotta know why this MacBook isn't working. The audio comes from the DCN board. A lot of things come from the DCN board. I might run it through you when we open up the board view for this. But a lot of things come from the DCN board, which is really necessary. I'm surprised this isn't a dead CPU. That's all I care about. I will dox every one of our customers as long as I don't get a dead CPU. Hand me a 1534 liquid damage, that gold one.
I got you right
Yes,
now.
yes. I will gladly look at a 1534.
You hear that, everyone in chat? Send in your
You-
1534s and address them to
Why'd
the
you give
channel.
me every single 1534? Put that back. I said liquid damage, no power. Not just no power. If it says no power, it's dead. You know that.
Oh, this one actually says liquid.
That's what I was referring to. Okay. So every connector is off the board. I'm gonna take it out. Oh, screw.
The boards on these are so small.
The boards on these?
Yeah.
Of course they're small. They're useless. That's how they get that's how they get hot so fast. Dude, I'm losing it. I just ate and now my brain's just There we go. Okay, now don't crack under pressure. What pressure is there? Lewis is watching?
Everyone's watching you.
Okay. So, Kevin, my lovely assistant, has handed me a new DCN board. Smile to the camera. Come on, Kevin.
Hello,
He's
everybody.
such a good guy. He's still here. I don't know. Maybe Lewis likes him too much. He got that charm. I can't move this camera. I'm gonna drop Lewis's camera. Kevin, turn around.
What's up?
Move away from the microscope so they can see you.
Hello.
That's Kevin. He winked at you. Kevin is single. Feel free. I try making him not single. It doesn't work. What's wrong with the 1534 no power? They don't get proper heat dissipation, so the CPU just goes and they expect us to like fix it. Lewis expects me to fix it. No. Okay, so we're gonna get our new DCN board. I feel like the cable is fine, so I'm just gonna rip their cable. Inspect their cable. Their cable is not fine. Microscope cam. That's not a good cable. That pin just
Man, you
isn't.
missed the view in the front.
I missed the view in the front.
Yeah. Who's the
Yeah.
group?
Get me a new cable.
God bless. God bless, man. God bless. Let me step out to the...
Crap. That's not good. Wait, no, that's from the DC. Oh, thank God. It's from.
Which model is the... what year is it? Is it 2012 plus?
No,
Is
it's-
it 2013 and plus or 2012?
2013. Here, you want to, like, put them side by side?
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay, so, what I was saying is that's cam, because I can't do this. Bam. So, the pins are burned on this side, which is great, because that's coming from the DCN board. If it came from this side, I would have to look at this connector and probably replace it, which is a pain in the ass, dude. Okay, so new cable. Which one's the new cable? This is the bad one. Get rid of that. So we got new cable, new board.
Yeah, we can. $70 plus tax. Huh? It's $70 plus tax. Okay.
What is it?
iPhone success.
Huh?
iPhone success.
I could probably do it.
Yeah.
Like, how long does it normally take?
It normally takes 30 minutes, but I'm doing it, so it's gonna be an hour.
Yeah.
Okay.
Usually, because there's only like 3 employees. on
Okay,
weekends,
no.
usually have everyone in on the
This is my
weekdays.
first time being here. And
Okay, so
Yeah.
You don't pay now. You only pay when you pay now.
so now new DC board. We should have green light. Boom,
You need your
green light.
information and your password.
Fan spin. Fan.
Fully tested
Hey,
out
Okay.
once it's
hey, give me fan spin. What are you doing?
make sure that this
Hello?
screen is
Fan spin. Hey, fixed.
Okay, great. Yeah, I believe so. But I
Okay,
don't see any
okay,
notes.
cool. Woo.
passcodes on here. And the phone itself.
So all this needs is probably just a UC and a new board. Let's see, microscope. You know, just run through, see if there's any more corrosion on this board.
Get you in the system so that we can take it in.
So yeah, these look really bad, but they're not.
So it can be done today, right? Okay.
Take it out, alright?
Okay. Email or?
No. So we just need your password on this, but with your phone, call us and instructions.
Gross,
And then
but
we'll have
not
all your contact information that we need.
not destroyed.
Gotcha.
Thank you.
Totally fine, totally fine.
We had it ready.
Let's see. SMC reset, little corrody. That's fine, and fuse.
24988.
That fuse might need replacing. Right? Is this? Maybe just a little touch up. And that could use a touch up too. Why not?
Alright. Positive this time, alright?
Okay.
Oh, sorry.
Okay, nice.
I don't think we've ever been wrong 2 times in a row, so here you go.
Okay.
All under warranty. Sorry about that. But if you have any other issues, feel free to bring it back in.
Hopefully not.
We're very confident we won't.
Looking good. Just run it through real quick. BIOS. Unlike the last one, this one looking good. Alright, so. Let's plug it back into her machine. See if we have audio.
Did you finish it?
Yeah.
Yeah, print it out. Just waiting for you.
I'm just gonna look up something.
So new board. This isn't important.
Christopher?
Yeah.
I'm just making sure.
Okay, see if I can do this.
What?
This is awkward.
Pretty impressive here.
Oh.
I'm just plugging in screen and only screen. I just want to hear this chime from this side of the. Oh no, wait. Crap.
Great. Okay, thank you so much.
No problem.
Okay, so I'll just come back in an hour or so.
Exactly, yeah.
Do you also fix earphones?
No.
No? Okay.
No, we currently just work on MacBooks and hard drives and we'll
Okay.
help out for some issues and like that.
Alright, sounds good. But yeah, if you're finding other issues, just feel
Yeah.
free to just fix it. I'll pay for
Thank
the
you.
cost.
We'll let you know first, alright?
Okay,
Have a nice day,
great.
Celeste. Bye-bye.
You too.
Thank you.
I'll see you later, right, Chris?
Yep, thank you.
Damn, Kevin, you know their names.
What's up?
You know their names, Kevin.
Yeah. Customers, dude.
I thought you only remember hot people. Was that guy too hot for you? Okay, so we have one speaker plugged in. If this makes a noise, my job is done.
Right in front of me, and now it's kind of hard.
Okay, here we go. Yeah, fan spin.
Yeah.
You have chime? Chime, damn you. No? Huh. No chime. Okay, so I have to do something. I gotta not be dumb about this. Alright, let's take this board out. Tell it to go fuck itself. Everyone call the store and ask for Kevin.
No.
Hi, link the store phone.
God damn it, hi.
Do it, hi. Thought you were studying. You're watching me fix MacBook.
Yeah, wait a second. Hi, you could be watching this live while you're doing work.
So where's the phone?
Right here, I have it.
Yeah, give it to Paul. Or give it to new guy. Let new guy do it. Alright. Okay, plug that in, plug this in. Do I really have to do this? This is tedious and boring and angry because I'm not getting audio.
Today's a pretty good day for the view up front.
The view up front.
Yeah.
Kevin is thirsty.
Nope.
The three of us, all three of us, will walk by trying to get the girls. And every one of them turn and look into the store.
Don't
Sometimes
say
I
that
make
out
eye
loud.
contact,
I'm
sometimes,
streaming.
like, sometimes I just lock it.
Guys, shush, I'm streaming.
Walking.
Okay, so we're gonna boot from our own personal operating system, see if sound is present. Kevin, do your job. Stop looking at girls and give me an operating system, please.
We're in the middle of something.
Okay, you can just throw it at me.
Nice. Okay, that could have been. Ross from Paragraph, I can help you. What you want?
Oh, operating system.
Oh?
Reed, you're distracted by booty.
Yes, hi. How can I help? Ooh. Hi, is this you? What is wrong with you? Hi.
Ban him.
Why are you impersonating a girl, a female voice?
Damn. Kevin's so thirsty, he was talking to a female customer. It actually was hi.
I could tell it's hi, because one, it's a fake female voice, and two,
He sounds like hi.
showed up.
Let's call it. Yeah, you get to look at it. Alright, let's see.
Goodbye, Kasham.
Fan spin. I'm gonna boot into Sierra real quick. Okay,
Thank
so what's our password again? Our secret password that we're not gonna show anyone. Not gonna show anyone on stream. Our secret password. Secret. Huh.
I tried all my best, make her happy. Now she's gone, run off from me. She says she want to be free. Material girl.
Fixed.
What's going on? Oh. What? Why did you play that song?
It's the default iTunes song.
Wow.
Once you have iTunes, it's like the only song that plays.
Never
I mean,
knew that.
it's like whatever.
That's interesting. I'll tell you that one.
Yes.
That's an interesting.
Oh wait, I forgot to see if this charges. Sound obviously works. Well, the customer stated that it didn't work. I fixed it. I didn't fix anything. There's no chime, which is interesting. Also, left speaker doesn't work. Paul, if the left speaker doesn't work, that's just a bad speaker.
Could be a bad audio amp on the board. There's separate audio amps.
You know, hi, Blue. There.
But because the left comes from the DC in,
Hi.
right?
Well, can't hear
The air?
Yeah, air.
Yeah.
So a bad speaker. I put in a new.
PC in?
I put in a new board.
You put in a new PC board and you plugged in the speaker?
Yeah. Is it plugged in? Hold on. Yes.
Probably that speaker.
Okay, cool. I spilled about half a glass of water on my Mac. The sound is currently stuck on mute and is not working. I'm also not able to charge it anymore. The computer is showing that it is charging, but the percent is not going up.
Actually, let me open up some packages for you because I want to mail in.
Well, because her sys one wire wasn't working, that's also adapter sense. So adapter sense is what talks to the charger, and if your charger's not, if the adapter sense is not present, it's not talking to the charger, meaning you won't charge your MacBook. So, cool. Put this away. Oh wait, I should unplug battery too. Why not?